Hello, I thought we would do a bit of a tutorial video today for TikTok. We're gonna do one of those stitch videos so I can show you how to do a proper stitch without going into someone's video. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna click the app, obviously. You're gonna go search a video, whatever video you want to use. So I'm gonna take this guy. We're gonna screenshot some point in the video. Usually I save the video and screenshot a point, but up to you. And then you hold down, you hit save video, which I've already done that, and then you go back, and then you're going to hit the plus icon, and then obviously it's going to show me. We're going to hit the photo green screen icon. We're going to click the photo we took, and then you're going to hit 60 seconds, and then you're going to record yourself talking like so, but you don't want the sound on. You want to turn that off. All right, and then just talk, say whatever you want, hit stop, and then you hit effects again. You hit the video effects. You find the video you want. You hit next. And then you just start recording the part you want in the video. Doesn't matter what. Don't talk like I'm doing. But obviously you get it. And then after that, hit the checkbox and everything goes together. And that's all there is to it if you want to start making TikToks like that. And I'll catch you in the next video.